Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How you doing, learner? I hope it's just great, and I hope my video meets you in a great time. Now we discussed about prepositions of time: at, on, and in. Are you curious with that? Let's get it. At is used to precise time. Precise time means a short period. For example, at noon, at 10 a.m., at 10:30 a.m., at bedtime, at sunset, at afternoon, at the moment, at the same time. And on is for wider period than time. On Independence Day, on New Year's Eve. Just look at this example, if in the sentence right now. I have a meeting at 9 a.m. I have a plan to meet you at 10 a.m. The shop closes at 10 p.m. In Indonesia, it's always rain in December. Do you work on Monday? My birthday is on November 18. Where will you be on New Year's Day? And to notice that in can become on if there is a name of the days. For example, in the morning become on the Sunday morning. In the afternoon become on the Tuesday afternoon. And remember, if there is a word less, next, every, and this, we not also use at, in, or on. For example, not I went to Jakarta on last June, but I went to Jakarta last June. He's coming back next Tuesday, not he's coming back on next Tuesday. Alright, learner, now come to exercise. Exercise number 1. I meet my friend 3 o'clock Tuesday. Exercise number 2. The headmaster isn't here present. You won't be working Saturday night. The future, will you? I'm busy. Moment. But I'll be here evening. Okay, we have 4 exercises, and let's do it. Let's check it out. Number 1, I meet my friends blah blah 3 o'clock blah blah Tuesday become I meet my friend at 3 o'clock on Tuesday. Number 1. Number 2, the exercises is the headmaster isn't here blah blah present. So the answer is the headmaster isn't here at present. Number 3, the exercises is we won't be working blah Saturday night blah blah in the future, will you? Okay, the answer become we won't be working on Saturday night in the future, will you? Number 4, I am busy blah blah moment, but I'll be here blah blah evening become I'm busy at the moment, but I'll be here at evening. Okay, learners, I hope you understand about preposition of time, it, at, in, and on. And if there's any question, just please write down your question in a comment. Thank you for your kind attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.